Hey, party people. So, today we're going to know about 5 ways you can make money on Instagram, right? So we're going to tell you how you can make money from Instagram, right? So, we don't know if you have 100,000 followers, 1,000 followers, we're going to tell you how you can make money from Instagram. But some of you motherfuckers are saying, I don't have followers. How am I going to make money, right? So wait, here is an also in secret for you also in this video, right? So you also going to know how to make money from Instagram if you have literally zero followers, actually, right? Literally zero. If you have followers, you can make money from that from Instagram too, right? So let's start today's video. I'm Charan Singh. Let's start it, right? So number one thing, if you have a community on Instagram, if you have some kinds of followers, they are engaging from you, right? Or if you don't have a community, just build one, because that's the greatest point here on Instagram, right? We are living today in a community world, right? Where you can just make money by making the community, right? So number first thing is you can sell some kinds of stuff to the people, right? You can sell some kind of antiques, you can sell some kind of what I call it, whatever you want, you can sell to the Instagram. Just find your passion. If you know, like if you love teaching, then teach people on Instagram. Like if you don't love teaching but you know playing guitars, right? Just tell people, make some kind of beats. You never know what's going to happen. Like some producer is going to offer you some kinds of song, right? So you never know what's going to happen. So do all these kind of stuff. And by the way, you can sell the guitar course on Instagram, right? By making the community, you can do what I call it. Let me to you this, like this page. So now you can do that. You can make a community on Instagram. You can sell this kind of stuff. You can sell clothes on Instagram, right? Actually, these clothes are selling a greatest stuff on Instagram, right? That's all. That's all. That's the perfect one. Like these, what I call is men's fashion brands and all these kinds of the men's fashion, women's fashion. They are selling a super duper hot, right? The beauty products are also selling on Instagram, super duper hot, right? Like the architecture products, the interior products, the watches and the shoes, and I can't even count on my fingers that what the fuck is selling on Instagram. You can sell everything, whatever you want, right? As I told you, you have to teach stuff, you have to sell some kind of courses. If you know something else, and great, then another ones. Now you can sell their courses on Instagram too, right? That's all it is. And what I tell you, right? You can do whatever you want, but some of you motherfuckers are saying I don't have followers, so what should I do right now? Huh? So let's tell me that if you don't have followers, if you have zero followers, fucking morons. First of all, gain some followers, right? But you want money fast, right? You don't want to gain 2 to 3 months, right? Then you're going to make money. You want to make money today, right? So let me give a tip for you then. So number one thing, reach out to people. They have hundreds and thousands of followers, or even just 10K followers, 7K followers. Reach out to them and tell them, hey there, right? You don't have a community, right? You have to sell yourself. That's all it is. So go to the people. They have some kind of followers. They don't have some kind of followers, right? They have some kind of followers. Go to them, tell them, hey there, if you are busy enough, I am able to manage your Instagram, right? I'm going to design your Instagram themes for you, right? Design their Instagram posts, design their Instagram stories, right? Handle their social media, right? Instagram, I mean to say. Just charge. People are charging $500 to $1,000 just for managing Instagram, actually, right? Because they don't have time. They make the community, but they're counting the money right now, right? So they don't have time to put that shit on Instagram, right? So you come up and you say, I'm gonna do this, right? Now someone fucking are saying, how do I make the post on Instagram and stories on Instagram, right? So best tool I ever recommend is this Canva. Canva is one of the greatest tools on Instagram where you can make a fucking great kind of business. It is one of the top tools available out there, right? Just for free completely. Before you ask that I have to pay for that shit, right? So that's also you're gonna do. You can just these kind of things you can do, and then with that you just grow your Instagram community for a specific product or a course or something on a specific theme, and when you grow it, then you can make money from that too, right? With that, right? So that's what I think I should tell you right now. And if you really enjoyed this video, please like this and subscribe it. It will give me the power. I will be the Iron Man right now, right? So it helps us, right, to grow our community, right? And today in this on this channel, the 10 a.m. 10M, yeah, actually, that's the name, I think. We tell you about the all kind of how you can make money on tech and on the trending topics, right? We make you up to date and tell you true, genuine knowledge. We don't want to tell you want to make $700 just by slipping out. You can make $1,000 just by doing nothing. Not you have to fuck your ass up, right? You have to make money. You have to fake up us. First, you're making $1,000, $3,000, and you can 5,000 something like. Then you don't have to make money for that. You don't have to do these kind of shits, right? You just start a business where you don't have to put your time. That's all it is. You will make a bunch of money, right? As I tell you, the car flipping is the best, but you don't know, right? If you don't watch the video, watch that video just coming right now, right? On iButton, right? And if you want to make money, just if you want to make online money, but don't from the Instagram, just watch my this video which is coming from here or here, something like this. Watch right now how you can make money online. That's a pure online ways which I tell you, you can make legit ways, right? And if you want to make money fast within 1 day, there's an also an video. I just link that also too in this description. Like, we may make money faster today. You can make money, right? That's all it is. So that's all for now today. Thanks. Bye bye. Hope you're doing great. Please subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.